Hi again. Well, folks, the time has come for another awesome deal. So here goes. Y'all What's the deal? Well, I'm so glad you asked that. Today, an outstanding deal on Invisalign, a smile treatment that straightens your teeth without metal braces. It's an 84% savings. So for $69, you get an exam, records, and $1,000 off your smile treatment and a bleach treatment. Dr. Neal is here to tell us more about why Invisalign is so popular and effective. Welcome.
Thank you, Margaret.
So I was asking you earlier, when you get your records, what does that mean?
Well, what we do for orthodontic records is we take photographs and we take x-rays and models of your teeth.
So you get the whole,
thing
when you come in.
Sure.
Now, how is Invisalign different from regular braces?
Well, the most obvious difference is the fact that they're clear. And I have some right here. This is an Invisalign tray. They're clear and
That's
they're
amazing.
removable. So
they're just like the little trays that you would use to bleach your teeth. They're that clear.
They're that clear. They're stiffer, so they can actually move the teeth.
Right.
But they are that clear, and it's a huge benefit because if you're in sales,
Right.
or if you're on TV, or if you have a wedding that you're going to be attending, or your bride, then you can remove them.
So you don't have to wear them all the time.
You need to wear them about 20 hours a day. We ask
Okay.
you to take them off to eat or drink anything other than water, or if you have a special occasion, obviously you can remove it for that.
Now, are these also good for youngsters, or is this mainly something adults would do?
They are. In my practice, we like to do it for teenagers that have all of their permanent teeth, or their teeth are very soon to be coming in. And I've treated anywhere from 12-year-olds with them to 80-something-year-olds
I think it's
with
so
them.
cool when adults who've been battling with a smile they don't particularly like get to fix that.
It's amazing.
So let's take a look at some of the befores and afters. We have Elisa, and tell me a little bit about what her problem was.
Elisa came to me. I actually treated her father a couple years before that with Invisalign, and she specifically wanted Invisalign. And when I saw Elisa, I said, well, I'm not sure if you're a great case, but she insisted. So we did Invisalign, and I think the results are amazing. I don't think we could have gotten this result with braces, actually, unless we did jaw surgery.
That is wonderful.
And we expanded her teeth. We got her open bite to close, and she's just thrilled.
That is so cool. So we see now in this animation kind of the what's going on with her teeth, and then the inside view. Look as the teeth sort of move around, and that can actually make your jaw a lot more comfortable, right? If your bite is correct.
She was only touching her very back teeth when we started.
Isn't that something?
Only touching her very back teeth.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Now, does Invisalign take a little longer than metal braces do?
It does not. She actually was treated in 19 months.
Wow. Okay, so it didn't take that long. Great. Let's take a look at Seth. This was another person who got great results. And
he's a teenager.
A teenager. So if you're not a teenager with parents saying, hey, you need to go to the orthodontist, he's so cute, how do you know you need to go?
I like to see patients around age 7 or 8 to look for habits that can really make it difficult to treat later, such as mouth breathing, tongue thrusting, lip biting, and thumb sucking.
Right.
Are big ones. So I like to evaluate them at that age to make sure that there's nothing interceptive that we need to do to make it easier when we treat them around age 12 or 13.
But anybody can come to you if you're not happy with this one.
Anyone can come, and that's typically the recommendation, age 7 or 8, up to anyone that wants an aesthetic and functional change in their bite.
Okay, let's take a look at what happened inside Seth's mouth, because I just love this animation because we actually get to see what's going on as the teeth are correcting, and you can see what a great smile he has. Okay, take a look at this. So these are the teeth that are moving. Look at that, and it looks like the bottom teeth came forward a bit.
It did, and the upper teeth came together, and his treatment took 6 months.
Okay. Oh, really? And here's the inside view of his teeth. Whoops. Hopefully we can see it as they move around. Yeah. So that just kind of moved his jaw forward, and look at the difference it makes in his smile.
Yes.
And in the way his chin sort of goes where it's supposed to go.
Right, and he's grown a lot too, obviously.
Fantastic. Good-looking kid. All right, well, Paige Dunn is in the audience, and she is actually got these on right now, correct?
I do.
So are they comfortable?
Very. You don't even realize you have them on.
Do you have any trouble talking while they're in?
No.
So how long have you been wearing them?
Just over a year.
And you pop them out just to eat and on occasion?
Or if you have an occasion you're going to that you don't want to be removing your trays and with a table full of people, you can just Just
be a
leave them in
party
your
trick.
purse and pop them back in when you leave your event.
And so
it's
what was the
convenient.
impetus to go in and have this done?
I'm sorry?
What was your purpose for going in and having this done?
Well, my bottom teeth had shifted after having braces when I was younger, and I just was tired of not seeing the straight teeth. And so I decided I was going to do it, and I was really, really hoping that I would be a match for Invisalign. And I went and saw Michelle, and it turns out I was, and I was so relieved.
Well, the before and afters are just absolutely dramatic, and I really appreciate you coming and sharing this, because for a lot of people, a mouthful of braces, metal braces, is just not an option.
That's right.
And this is a great alternative. So for all the details on Yaller and to get today's deal, please head to yaller.com. Remember, this deal is only good today, July 12th. So please hurry and grab this great deal before it goes away. When New Day returns, the Seattle street musician is one of 8 finalists in the Rolling Stone magazine's competition to find the best street performer. She is super talented, and we get to hear her perform right here next. Thank you so much.